Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. Do you need an LLC for your pressure washing business? Starting a limited liability company, LLC, for your pressure washing business can provide several benefits. Most importantly, an LLC structure offers limited liability to its owners, which can protect their personal assets from lawsuits and creditors. Before continuing the video, let's introduce you to Bazy. Bazy is a professional formation service company to file your LLC. It's an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. The full review of Bazy is also given in the description box down below. Now, let's continue the video. For a pressure washing business, lawsuits can arise from things like ruining a customer's outdoor decking during a cleaning job, or not cleaning a customer's property by the contractually stipulated date. LLCs are also affordable, highly flexible, from a tax point of view, and can make your pressure washing business seem more credible. Recommended, use Bazy to form an LLC for $0, plus state fees. Now, let's discuss whether you should start an LLC for a pressure washing business. LLCs are a simple and inexpensive way to protect your personal assets and save money on taxes. You should start an LLC when there's any risk involved in your business or when your business could benefit from tax options and increased credibility. Let's understand the LLC benefits for a pressure washing business. By starting an LLC for your pressure washing business, you can protect your savings, car, and house with limited liability protection. Have more tax benefits and options. Increase your business's credibility. Limited liability protection. LLCs provide limited liability protection. This means your personal assets, car, house, bank account, are protected in the event your business is sued or if it defaults on a debt. Pressure washing businesses will benefit from liability protection because of the relatively high risk of property damage and workplace accidents. For example, an employee accidentally shatters the window of a building you are hired to power wash due to the machine being set to an unsafe setting. You are sued for damages to the structure. Since your business is an LLC, limited liability protects your assets so they could not be seized to pay for the expenses. Another example, while pressure washing their house, the owner comes out to check on the progress and trips over your equipment. They are furious and threaten to sue you. Should this go to court, your personal assets are protected with limited liability as an LLC so they could not be taken in the settlement. Also, if a competitor is suing you over a recent advertisement they saw as libelous, your personal assets as the owner are protected with limited liability, so if your LLC lost the case, those assets could not be taken. An LLC will also protect your personal assets in the event of commercial bankruptcy or loan default. To maintain your LLC's limited liability protection, you must maintain your LLC's corporate veil. Now, let's discuss LLC tax benefits and options for a pressure washing business. LLCs, by default, are taxed as a pass-through entity, just like a sole proprietorship or partnership. This means that the business's net income passes through to the owner's individual tax return. The business's net income is then subject to income taxes, based on the owner's tax bracket, and self-employment taxes. Sole proprietorships and partnerships are taxed in a similar way to LLCs, but they do not offer limited liability protection or other tax options. S-Corp option for LLCs. An S-Corporation is an IRS tax status that an LLC can elect. S-Corp status allows business owners to be treated as employees of the business for tax purposes. S-Corp tax status can reduce self-employment taxes and will allow business owners to contribute pre-tax dollars to 401k or health insurance premiums. The S-Corp status requires that the business pay the employee and owners a reasonable salary for the work they perform. In addition, the business might need to spend more on accounting, bookkeeping, and payroll services. To offset these costs, you'd need to be saving about $2,000 a year on taxes. We estimate that if a pressure washing business owner can pay themselves a reasonable salary and at least $10,000 in distributions each year, they could benefit from S-Corp status. You can start an S Corp when you form your LLC. Credibility and consumer trust. Pressure washing businesses rely on consumer trust. Credibility plays a key role in creating and maintaining any business. Businesses gain consumer trust simply by forming an LLC. A growing business can also benefit from the credibility of an LLC when applying for small business loans, grants, and credit. Now, do you want to know how to form an LLC? Forming an LLC is easy. There are two options for forming your LLC. By forming a legal business entity, you can minimize your liability and take advantage of potential tax savings as well. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Bazy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now, let me just show you what types of services Bazy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website, you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Nonprofit. As you can see, there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249. And this is the package I highly recommend, with filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553. It also comes with operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Bazy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, they ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Bazy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year. And after that, it's $119 per year. Bazy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Bazy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America. Then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Bazy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits, they can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Bazy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. For most new business owners, the best state to form an LLC in is the state where you live and where you plan to conduct your business. Do LLCs need insurance? All businesses need insurance to protect their business assets, even LLCs. This is because limited liability protection from being an LLC protects your personal assets, not your business assets. In conclusion, forming a limited liability company, LLC, is a great way to protect your interests when starting a pressure washing business. The good thing about it is that it's typically more straightforward to form, maintain, and even dissolve compared to other entity types. Researching and understanding LLC's terms before committing to one is important, as several factors can influence an LLC's cost and functionality. Want to make the setup process even simpler? With Bazy, you can easily file your LLC for $0 plus state fees. Both your schedule and your wallet are sure to appreciate it. And no matter what business you choose to start an LLC in, Bazy can help you do so. Make sure to research your business name and make sure it's available in your state. Use our business name search tool for guidance. Bazy has helped over 1 million small business owners. Form your LLC $0 plus state fee. It includes free registered agent service for a full year. Check the link in the description box down below. The full review of Bazy is also given.